everyone, welcome to my channel Quantum Ideas. So today we'll be solving a digital SAT math official practice set 6. So let's get started. And this is official college board digital set practice set. So let's see number 1. So this is simply right. We have to find P. So P plus 8 is 11 equals 10. So P is simply 10 minus 11 and this is minus 1 is our final answer. So let's move to number 2. So we're given scatter plot. Which of the following graphs shows the most appropriate model for the data? So you can see from the graph it is basically exponential model. So like the graphs will be somewhat like this. Okay. So let's see. This is linear. This is linear. So not this one. So this can't be because this is exponential, but it is not uh, fitting the data very well. Okay, so this is not answer, so D must be our answer, and it is this line is very close to those data points. So number 3, so this is k square equals 91 plus 53 and this is 4 9 is 144. Okay, so k is basically plus minus 12, so we need positive solution, that will be plus 12, so D is your answer. So let's move to number 4. During a portion of a flight, a small airplane's cruising speed varies between this and this. Which inequality best represents the situation where S is the cruising speed? So S lies between this and this. Okay. Okay. Where S is cruising speed in miles per hour during this portion of the flight. Okay. Okay. This can't be because it is lies between this and this. This can't be, and this can't be, right? So this must be our answer because S lies between 150 to 150 170. So let's move to number 5. An object was launched upward from a platform. The graph shown models the height above the ground y in meters of the object x second after it was launched. For which of the following intervals of time was the height of the object increasing for the entire interval? So at time t equals to 0, it is thrown from here and it is going up, 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 and finally reach the final height, and it is going down. Means from here to here, right? So it was going up, up, that is x equals to 0 to x equals to 2. So A must be our answer. So let's move to next one. How many yards are equivalent to this much inches? One yard is this inch. Means we have to convert inches into yards. That means we have to find the value of 1 inch. From here we can simply use the unitary method. From here you can write 1 inch will be equals 1 by 36 yard. So you can write 1116 inches will equals 1116, 1 inch equals 1 by 36 yard, right? So if you solve this, you will get 31 yard must be your answer. So let's move to number 7. Okay, we have given this function f represents the total cost in dollar of attending an arcade when x games are played. Okay, x is the number of games. How many games can be played for the total cost of 58? So total cost is f, that is 58. So 14 plus 4x, so x will basically 58 minus 14 over 4. So this is 44 over 4. So number of games that can be played is simply 11. Okay, so let's move to next one. For the linear function f, b is a constant. When x equals to 0, fx equals to 30, what is the value of b? So plug x equals to 0 and fx as 30. So this is 30 when x is 0. So b is basically 30. So b equals 30 is our answer. Let's move to number 9. The function p gives the estimated number of marine mammals in a certain area, where t is the number of years since the study begins. What is the best interpretation of p0 equals 1800 in this context? So I think okay, yeah, they plug t equals 0, that means the beginning of the study, right? Okay, t, so when we plug t equals to 0, it becomes p0, right, equals 1800. So basically 1800 represents what? Initial estimated number of marine mammals, right? This is the initial population. So the estimated number of marine mammals in the area was 102. No, that is 1800. So estimated number of marine mammals in the area was 1800 when the study began, right? That answer is B. So let's move to number 10. A manager is responsible for ordering supplies for a shaped ice shop. The shop's inventory starts with 4500 paper cup, and the manager estimates that 70 of these paper cups are used each day. Based on this estimate, in how many days will the supply for the paper is this much? I think we have also done this problem. So initially, how many cups were there? 4500 cups were there, and it was decreasing 70 each day. And let's say it decreased up to n days, and finally it becomes 1700. Now you can solve it. That is 70 n will be 4500 minus 1700. Okay, n will be 4500 minus 1700 divided by 70. Okay, let me use calculator. So okay, you will get 40. So that is our final answer. So let's move to number 11. Okay, we are given some linear inequality. You can directly plug and check. So let's check this one. So y is 19 is greater than 4 into 2 plus 8. That is 19 is greater than 4 to 8, 8 16. That is true. Let's check this one. Y is 8. 8 is greater than 4, 2 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. That is not valid. Yeah, okay. Again, let's check this one also. So 13 is greater than 4 to 8 plus 8, 16. That is also not valid. And this is same. So these are wrong answers. So A must be our final answer. Okay, let's move to number 12. So which expression is equivalent to? So this is a plus b whole square, and this is a square minus b square formula, right? So let's open it. So x square a square is x4 plus 2ab is 22, x square plus 11 square is 121. This is x square minus 25. So this is x4 plus 23x square 121 minus 25. This is plus 96. So our answer is B. So let's move to number 13. So the function is given. What is the value of h2? H2 is basically 8 by 5 to is 10 plus 6. So that is 8 by 16. This is 1 by 2, or you can also write 0.5. So this is our final answer. Okay, let's move to next one, trigonometry. The figure shows the length in inches of two sides of a right triangle. What is the area? So we are given base, we are given height. So area of right angle triangle is simply half base into height. Half, what is our base is 5. What is our height? Height is 3. So this is 15 by 2. You can also write 15 by 2, or you can simply write 7.5. So that is our answer. So let's move to next one, number 15. Okay, graph type. The graph models the number of active projects our company was working on X month after the end of November 2012. So this is after the end. Okay, so after end of 2012, and this X is from 0 to 6 month. According to the model, what is the predicted number of active projects company was working at the end of November 2012? So at the end of the November 2012, the active project was 5. So simply our answer will be 5. Okay, so let's go to number 16. Okay, the relationship between two variables x and y is linear. For every increase in the value of x by 1, the value of y increases by 8. So increase in y per unit change in x is basically our slope, right? That is definition of slope, that is 8. Okay, and when the value of x is 2, the value of y is 18. So the equation must satisfy this condition. So you can see here slope is 8. Okay, this c, you can see the slope is 8. So this can be our answer. Now you can plug it and check. If y is 18, then plug here 8 times 2 is 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay, this is valid equation. So number 17. So the given equation relates the positive number p and n c. Which equation correctly expresses c in term of p and n? So we have to isolate c and write it in term of p and n. So and go to that side, that becomes p by n equals 19 minus c. Let's take c to that side and p by n over this side. So c equals 19 minus p over n. So our answer is D. So let's move to number 18. Okay, we are given quadratic equation. Which of the following is a solution to the given equation? Okay, we can use quadratic formula here. That is w equals minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac over 2a, right? If you compare this with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, a is 1, b is 12, c is minus 40. What is our b is minus and b is what? 12 plus minus 12 square is 144 minus 4, a is 1. What is our c? C is minus 40 divided by 2 into what is our a is 1. So this is basically minus 12 plus minus root over 144 plus this is 4 16 160 by 2. This will be minus 12 plus minus root over 4, there is 4, yeah, this is 304 by 2. So you can factorize it to find this root value. So 304, if you divide by 2, that is 152, and if you divide this by 2, 2 7 14, 2 6 12, 2 3 6, right, 2 8 16, 2 1 2 9. So this is 2 2, here will come out, that becomes 4. This is minus 12 plus minus 4 root 19 over 2. If we take 2 common and cancel out this becomes minus 6 plus minus 2 root 19, and there will be two roots. If we take positive, it will be minus 6 plus 2 root 19, and it will be, if we take negative, this will be minus 6 minus 2 root 19. So if we check here option, there is no minus 6, so this is not our answer, this is not, so D is our answer. Also you can use solve it by using Desmos. You can directly find the answer and you can convert this into decimal and just verify the final answer. So let's move to number 19. Okay, let's see, there is a table, I think it's from statistics. The table shown summarizes the number of employees at each of the 17 restaurants in a town. So number of employees and number of students. Which of the following could be the median number of employees? We have to find the median number of employees for the restaurant in the town. So to solve this, you can find the cumulative frequency. So write 2 plus 4 is 8. That's not 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15, right? 15 plus 2 is 17. Now to find the median, our formula is what? To find the median class, we can use n plus 1 by 2th item. So what is our n is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18 by 2 is 9th item. So where is the 9th restaurant? This is 8. After 8 here is, okay, that's the 9th restaurant lies here. And if you go to number of employees, so your median number of employees lies between 20 to 25. So our answer must be 21. Okay, if you are confused, you can check my video on statistics. So let's go to 20. What is the y coordinate of y-intercept of the graph? This one. To find y-intercept, we've set x equals to 0, right? Simply plug here 0. So 0 will be minus 5y by 9 plus 21. 20 go 21 go to that side, that becomes minus 21 equals 5y by 9. There is minus will be plus. So y will be 21 into 9 over 5. Okay, if you use calculator, you will find around 37.8 will be your final answer. Okay, let's move to next one, 21. So we are given the graph. The graph of this is shown where b and c are constant. What is the value of bc? So c is basically here y-intercept. You can see here, this is the y-intercept. C is minus 6. So this equation can be written as y equals 2x square plus bx minus 6. So to find b, what we can do, we can take this point. This point is 1 comma 0, right? X and y. So y is 0, 2 is x is 1, so plus b minus 6. This is what 2 minus 6 minus 4. If we go to that side, that becomes 4. So b is 4, right? So therefore the final value of bc is simply b is 4, c is minus 6. So 4 into minus 6 is minus 24. So will be your final answer. Okay, so let's move to next one. So 22, I think it's from percentage. In 2008, Gina earned 40% more than in 2007, and in 2009 Gina earned 4% more than in 2008. If Gina earned y times as much as in 2009 as in 2007, what is the value of y? Okay, okay, quite confusing. Let me do like this. In 2007, let's say in 2008, and in 2009. Okay, okay, as in 2007. Okay, let's say let's write this as x, earning as x, here as y, and here as not y, because there is y here. So what is value of y? We have to find the earning in 2009. So let's write y, and let's write this as a z. Okay, now let's use the conditions. 14% more than in 2007 means she earned 14% more in 2007. No, in 2008 she earned 40% more than in 2007, means z equals x plus 14% means 0.14x, right? This will be 1.14x, right? And again, let's say in 2009 on 4% more than in 2008, means y is equals to z plus 4% is 0.04 of z. So this is 1.04 z, right? Now plug back this z from here, because we have to find the comparison between 2009 and 2007. We have to find this relation between these two. So y in term of x, so simply write 1.04. What is our z here? Simply 1.14x. Now you can multiply with calculator. So if you solve it, you will get 1.1856x. So that must be our final answer. Okay, so our answer is D. So let's move to next one, that is 23. I think it's circle. Okay, the circle A shown is defined by the equation this one. Circle B is not shown is the result of shifting the circle A down 6 unit and increasing the radius of circle B 2 times the radius of circle A. Which equation defines the circle B? So you can see here the simply you can say the center of the circle A is minus 2 comma 0. Now let's shift it by 6 unit to find the center of the circle B. So simply to do shifting, down means you have to apply this on the y axis or y coordinate of the center, so that is minus 6, and 0 down means minus, right? So 0 minus 6 will be minus 6. If you are confused with this, you can check my video on graph transformations. So this is the center of the new circle. You can now find the equation. You from here you can see the radius of this circle is, if you compare it with r square, is 9, r is 3, and the circle, the equation of circle B with the radius, sorry, the radius of the circle B is 2 times of that, means r will be 2 times of this is 236. So now by using this center and this radius, we can form the equation of circle B, that is x minus h is this plus 2 square plus y minus k minus plus 6 square will be r square is 36. So our answer must be this one, right? 9 4 is 36. Yeah, so finally this is our answer. So this is number 23. Okay, let's move to number 24. It's the trigonometry. Okay, I can see here special right angle. This is 30, this is 90, this must be 60 degree, right? So if the property of this special right angle triangle is that this is a 30 60 90 right angle, here you can say if this side is x, this is 2x, and this will be x root 3. That means if it this is double of this, right? So this side must be half of 54, that is 27, and this must be 27 root 3. Now we have to find what? Tan A. So what will tan A will be? Perpendicular, that is BC over base is AC. So what is our BC is 27 root 3. What is our AC? AC is 27. So if you cut it, you will get answer as root 3. So C is our final answer. So let's move to number 25. Okay, quite long question. At the time that an article was first featured on the home page of the new website, there are 40 comments on the article. An exponential model estimates that at the end of each hour after the article was first featured on the home page, the number of comments of article has increased by 190%. So this is our rate. Okay, and this is the initial number. Let's say A, initial number of comments at the previous hour. Which of the following equation best represent this model? This model is exponential, where C is the estimated number of comments on the article T hour after the article was first featured on the homepage. So C will basically A, B to the power T, right? This is A 1 plus this is increased means plus 190% to the power T. So what is our A? Initial number of comments is 40. So 1 plus what is 190% is basically 1.9 to the power T. So this will be 40. 1 plus 1.9 will be 2.9 to the power T will be our final answer, that is D. Okay, so if you haven't watched my video on exponential model, you can check out. I have made separate video on this topic. So let's see 26. I think I have already solved number 26 before. So the table shows three values of x and their corresponding value of gx, where gx is this one and f is a linear function. So we have to find the equation of f. I think what is the y-intercept of the graph of y equals fx in the xy plane? It means we have to find fx, and to find y-intercept we have to plug x equals to 0. So let's find f of x first by using this one, just plugging gx as 3 here and x as minus 27. Let's use it in the calculator and you will get fx as minus 72. And if you plug here gx as 0, this function's fx becomes 0. If you plug here x as 21 and gx as 5, you will get around 120. Now to find the equation of line, we can use this equation, right? Y equals m x minus x1 and minus y1 go to the side becomes plus y1. So let me let this value as x1, let me assume this as x2 and this as y1 and this as y2 to find the equation of fx, that is y. So what will our slope will be? Y2 minus y1, that will be this is our y1 y2, right? 120 minus 0 divided over x2 minus x1, that is 21 plus 9. X minus x1 is minus 9, minus minus will be plus. What is our y1 is 0. So this is 120 by 30. X plus 9 is our y, that is f of x. So this is gone, this is gone, 3 4. This is x plus 9. So this is our equation, right? F of x. So we have to find y-intercept, just plug x equals to 0. So 9 4 is 36. So our final answer is 0 comma 36. Okay, this is our y-intercept and this is our x0. So the answer is A. So I think it's the last question, number 27. Let's see. In the right angle triangle ABC, let me draw a right angle here. Okay, right angle triangle ABC, angle C is a right angle. Okay, let me draw a right angle here, and C is a right angle. That means this must be A, this must be B. BC is 162. BC is 162 without any problem. Point D on side AB. So point D is on side AB somewhere. Okay, it's connected by a line segment with the point E on AC. So there is some point here and these both are connected on side A, such that line DE is parallel to BC. So BC is this and there is one line here somewhere and this will be parallel to this line, this line. And CE is 2 times of AE. So CE means yeah, CE is 2 times of AE, means C is double, right? Means let me make it. Okay, 2 times means like this. Okay, now we can see here D is on side B, right? And E was on this side, and it is saying C is 2 times of AE. If AE is X, CE or EC will be 2 times of X. This is what given by this. Now we have to find the DE, length of this DE, which is parallel to BC. And if you see here, this whole AC will be how much? This is x, this is 2x, this will be 3x. And this is basically the case of the similar triangle. Since this is 90 degree, this will be 90 degree, this is corresponding angle and this is the common angle. So this is the case of similar triangle. So it is very easy to solve this. You can see this is the small triangle and this is the large triangle, right? Both of them are similar. If this side is x, this is 3 times of this. Okay, and this means if, let's say, this is y, this will be 3 times of this one. You got it? Or you can simply say, if this is let me do like this. I mean, if this is y, this will be 3y. Okay, by the condition of similar triangle, means if this is x, this will be 3x. If this side will be y, this will be 3y. That means 3y will be 162 equaling, right? So y will be, if you solve this, you will get simply 54 will be our final answer, right? Or you can directly say y is 1/3 of 162. Simply you can do like this also, you will get the same answer. So this much for today, and this video will cover only model 1 of practice set 6, and model 2 will be covered in the upcoming next math video. So thank you for watching, guys. So until next video, see you soon. Bye bye.